We have an object moving to the right, and we want to think about what we have to do to make it go faster or to make it go slower. How would we apply a force to this object to achieve those results? Let's think about just a box sliding across the floor. If we have a box sliding across the floor of your classroom, what happens to it normally? If you just give it a push and let it slide for a little bit, what happens? It usually comes to rest. It usually stops because of friction. What is friction doing? Friction is pushing in the opposite direction. As the box moves to the right, friction is pushing back to the left. Or let's say the friction is not having much effect. Maybe our box isn't a box. Maybe it's something on wheels and it's rolling across the floor, moving very quickly to the right. It's rolling to the right very quickly, so friction isn't slowing it down. What can we do to slow it down? We can push back on the box in the opposite direction that it's moving, and that would get it to slow down. What would we do if we wanted it to move faster? We would push in the same direction that it's moving to get it to go faster and faster and faster in that direction. So if an object is moving to the right and we want it to go faster, we would have to push in the same direction it's moving. And if we want it to go slower, we would have to push opposite the direction it's moving. Now, let's think about what would happen if you pushed this way on the object. Could you make it go faster or slower? Think about that.